Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you already saw from the title, we will unbox a beauty box from Next, the Head to Toes Mystery Beauty Box. The price of this box is £12, and the Next Beauty claims that it comes with 78% savings. This mean box is worth around £50. About the box, I can say that the packaging is cute, the box is not big and it feels quite lightweight. I hope it's not empty. Let's start unboxing it and discover what products we have inside. The first product I took out is from the brand This Works. In transit camera close-up. Be ready for that close-up in seconds with a mask, moisturizer and primer in one. So this product can be used as a face mask, as a face cream or as a makeup primer. Also, it contains a powerful blend of repairing plant oils. The next treat from the beauty box is a hand cream from L'Occitane. The 20% shea butter hand cream for dry skin is a nourishing, softening hand cream formulated with 20% concentrated shea butter to treat dry hands, keeping them supple and hydrated even in winter. I know this product well, I had it in the past. It is a nice hand cream that is rich and nourishing, perfect for this time of the year. The third product from the box is a face cream from Emma Hardy. Moisture Boost Vit Plus C Cream. It helps reducing appearance of dark pigmentation and high color, help reduce visible sign of aging and helps improving skin texture. Product number 4 is a shampoo from Percy & Reed. I Need a Hero Wonder Shampoo. A multi-benefit shampoo that looks after your hair and scalp. Expert ingredients, balance moisture levels, protect hair color and improve hair condition for healthier, shinier strands with every wash. The last product from the box is from Aromatherapy Associates, Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. I am sure that many of you know this product, so I will not insist on it. These are the products from my beauty box. If you decide to order it, you need to know that the content from your box may differ. What I can say is that it is a lovely box. To be honest, I like the products that I found, the size of the products is decent too. Only good things about it. And on this positive note, I finish today's video. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!